All right, let's be real. Have you ever felt like you're just rolling the dice when you talk to an AI? You're definitely not alone. But what if you could stop gambling and start engineering? Today, we're going to crack open the Prompt Engineering Toolkit. It's a super simple guide to getting exactly what you want from AI every single time.
You know the feeling, right? You ask an AI for something, and what you get back is, well, wild, unpredictable, or sometimes just flat out wrong. It's so frustrating. And that messy, tangled web you see on the screen, that's basically what an unstructured prompt looks like to an AI. But what if you could turn that chaos into clarity? That's exactly what prompt templates are for. They are the absolute key to getting consistent, high-quality results no matter what you're trying to do.
So how do we actually build these powerful templates? Well, it's way simpler than you might think. Seriously, no coding required. It all boils down to just 3 basic building blocks. Once you get these down, you can pretty much build any prompt you can dream up. First up, we've got these, curly braces. Anytime you see something inside curly braces, that's your cue. Think of it as a blank space, a placeholder for your specific information. So if you're writing a tweet, this is where you'd pop in the topic. Asking for a recipe, this is where the main ingredient goes. It's the part of the template that changes every time. Okay, next are square brackets. This is where you get to give the AI choices. See how there's a line between the options? You're basically telling the AI, hey, pick one of these. For example, should the tone be formal or informal? Should the final output be a tweet or a blog post? This one little trick makes your templates incredibly flexible and powerful. And our third and final building block, the triple quote. The best way to think about this is like giving the AI a perfect example to follow. You wrap a sample of what you want inside these quotes, and it shows the AI the exact style, tone, or format you're looking for. It's a brilliant way to separate your example from your main instructions so the AI doesn't get confused. Okay, so let's do a quick recap. We've got curly braces for our unique info, square brackets for choices, and triple quotes for showing examples. Got it? Good. Now let's see how these things come together to create some awesome, ready-to-use templates. Let's kick things off with a fun one, the social media marketer template. Over on the left, you can see the blueprint itself. See the choice between marketer or influencer? And the content placeholder? Classic. Then, on the right, you see it in action. Somebody's filled it out to create a tweet about ChatGPT, even specifying a tech-savvy audience and a 280-character limit. It's a perfect example of how that structure leads to a super targeted, specific result. All right, now for something you'll probably use every day. We've all been there, right? Staring at an important email, wishing we had a second pair of eyes on it. Well, this spelling and grammar checker template is exactly that. But check out the example. The user puts in some messy text and asks the AI to not just fix it, but to list and explain all the errors. That's the key part. You're not just getting a correction, you're getting an explanation. It actually helps you get better. And hey, for all you creators watching, you're gonna love this one. It's a YouTube script creator template. It helps you structure an entire video from start to finish. In this example, you can see the user define the topic, the video length, 7 minutes, the audience, and even the exact structure, broken into 5 parts. This is how you go from just a vague idea to a fully organized script that's ready to go. Okay, you've seen the templates in action, which is awesome, but now I want to share the single most powerful technique that will take your prompts from good to absolutely great. And that's assigning the AI a persona. By telling the AI who to be, you give it context, you give it expertise, you give it a point of view. Honestly, this is the secret to getting truly next-level results. For instance, you can tell the AI to act as a technical expert. Got a big job interview coming up? Tell it to be a position interviewer and have it drill you with really tough questions. Or maybe you need a complicated database query? Just ask it to become an SQL query creator, and it'll turn your plain English into flawless code. The possibilities in this area are just massive. But hey, it's not all about tech stuff. The AI can be your personal creative and communication coach. Ask it to be a public speaking coach to help you nail that big presentation. Or tell it to be a debater to help you see both sides of an argument. It's literally like having a whole team of expert advisors on call 24/7. Or what if you need a professional consultant? You can tell the AI to act as an accountant to help you figure out a budget. Or, get this, have it be a math teacher to finally explain that one concept that just never clicked in school. When you assign a role, you're tapping into a whole world of focused expertise. So there you have it, the 3 simple building blocks, a few powerful templates to get you started, and that game-changing secret of using personas. But look, this toolkit is really just the starting line. The most powerful prompts are always going to be the ones you build for your own unique needs. You now have the blueprint. You have the tools to create whatever you need. And that brings us to the final, and honestly, the most important question of all.
You have the toolkit now. You understand the pieces. You've seen what's possible. So, what are you going to build first?